Here's last week's list of global Shopify sellers' weekly best-selling products. All these products can be sourced from the BuckyDrop platform. If you want to add them to your Shopify store, comment with the product name, and I will send you the source links of the product. You can import them into Shopify with just one click. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next video with the latest hot selling product recommendations. Thank you for watching.